Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Dan Ruiz and this is my kitchen. If you're new to this channel, feel free to share, like, and subscribe and hit that notification bell for future videos. If you're a returning subscriber, appreciate your support. Today we're gonna make home-style pizza from scratch. Let's give it a shot. All right, prep time. We're gonna need 2.5 cups of water. We're also gonna need 1 package of active dry yeast, 2 tablespoons of sugar. We're also gonna need 3 cups of bread flour. And then we're also gonna need 1 teaspoon of salt. Tap, tap, tap. There you go. And then we mix everything well in together. All right, you wanna combine until everything comes together like so. And now we're gonna use our phalanges. I always wanted to say that. Fingers. All right, we're gonna use our fingers. And then we're going to put a little bit of olive oil. And then we're also going to go ahead and incorporate that in. We're going to take a secondary bowl, go ahead and drizzle it with olive oil and coat the surface. And now we're going to take our dough, place it in that bowl and cover it up and let it rest for about, you want to give it 90 minutes or so. All right, after the resting period, we want to check on our dough. We want to go ahead and give the dough a couple stretches, like so. And now we also want to remove it from the bowl, put it on our cutting board, and we're going to go ahead and give it a couple more stretches, like so. And then we're going to cut it into 2 equal pieces. This will serve for about 2 pizzas, right? Go ahead and make it into a dough ball. We're gonna place it into a container and then we're gonna let it rest overnight. Gotta get his beauty sleep for tomorrow's pizza. Good morning, dough. Go ahead and give it a pound. What up, homie? Yeah, satisfying. Now we're gonna put some flour on our surface. Go ahead and remove the dough. We're gonna go ahead and press it with our fingertips, forming around the dough. We want to take our fingertips on the edges so we can form that crust around the pizza dough. And then with the palm of our hands, we do circular motions to stretch out the dough. And once you get it stretched out to your liking, go ahead and place it down. Give it a little stretch around the edges. Let's go ahead and put that tomato piece around. There you go. Perfect. Look at that. Why are you shy? You look all red. Let's put some cheese on you. Go ahead and drizzle it with some mozzarella cheese. And now we're gonna put our pepperoni, that is. Pick a card, any card. I can guess it. It's pepperoni. All right, cooking time. You wanna set your oven to the highest setting as possible. Mine goes up to 500. I put it to bake for about 15 minutes. There it is. Nice crunchy pizza. Yum, 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 yum. All right, guys, the moment of truth. Pepperoni pizza. Look at this. Oh, look at the cheese. It's hot. See you on the next one.